Hello and welcome to the SAP Integrated Business Planning Introduction module. This is the agenda of the session. We will provide the highlights of SAP IBP, an overview and background of the solution, and some information about the Edge Edition. Welcome to the highlights of the session, during which we will go over the background and overview of the IBP solution. This is how integrated business planning functionality fits into the digital supply chain powered by SAP Leonardo, which is on the upper part of the image, and in particular with the two areas of digital business planning and digital response and supply. Of course, it is very much related to the major part of Leonardo portfolio, the upper part of the image, and in particular with connected products, connected assets, connected fleet, and connected infrastructure. These are the main reasons that make SAP IBP solution successful. Simplicity in the user interface and the overall user experience, solid functionality across all applications, flexible, scalable data model and platform, robust roadmap, accelerated time to value, and high performance cloud infrastructure and support. Welcome to the SAP IBP Solution Overview. SAP Integrated Business Planning is a cloud solution. A few years back, we decided to refresh the supply chain planning suite of products, and at that point of time, the main product was on-premise product called APO, Advanced Planning and Optimization. We wanted to do several improvements, such as update the business processes and be closer to those of S/4HANA. We also wanted to be more connected regarding the planning processes, leverage end-to-end visibility, enable faster planning cycles, and provide more advanced planning algorithms than those that we had in the past. We also made improvements in some other different areas. First, we put the whole thing in the cloud. Secondly, we used web user interfaces. We also acquired smart apps to get inventory optimization algorithms. We got demand sensing algorithms, forecasting, and we leveraged things like predictive analytics. All those improvements have been unified into one big supply chain planning experience. Now let's talk a bit more about SAP's integrated business planning. Sales and operations planning is the core of integrated business planning. This process aligns demand and supply to drive a business outcome. It has become more important to power growth, improve resiliency, and drive efficiency improvements. Several maturity models have been developed by industry analyst companies to determine the different stages of S&OP. These include create a feasible plan, match demand with supply, drive most profitable response, build demand-driven supply chain capabilities, orchestrate through market-driven value networks. SAP is providing solutions to cover all 5 stages. We have introduced a completely new approach based on 5 key principles. It's not only about collaboration of data between the parties involved in the S&OP process. It's about communication. People need to have the possibility to comment on the plan to avoid miscommunication and to speed up the process. Analytical capabilities are embedded into the process so that users can directly see and analyze the impact of different demand and supply scenarios and don't need to jump between systems. Simplicity in the user interface. Leveraging Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, which are embedded into the solution. instead of up and down loads or different spreadsheet technology. Real-time scenario planning. SNOP has been natively built on SAP HANA. Integration to the SAP Business Suite and external third-party tools to upload master data and to bring back the results of the SNOP plans. We leverage the same principles of SNOP and build on this platform. The heart of the supply chain control tower is a big data analytics application, which allows to acquire, cleans, and harmonizes data from the entire demand network in real time. We will leverage predictive analytic methods to provide real-time what-if simulations, and we will provide an open environment which allows to connect also third-party tools. Inventory and service level optimization. This will allow to directly create multi-tier inventory targets based on the SNOP decisions. It is based on the same data model and no transfer of data is needed. This will immediately improve the reduction of inventory and has a major impact in achieving profitability goals. Predictive demand management. This new application will create full demand transparency for all products and timeframes. We directly include predictive analytic capabilities for demand sensing and statistical forecasting methods to increase forecast accuracy. Not only will that reduce inventory, but it also introduces more flexible and speed in the supply chain. And again, no data transfer will be necessary between SNOP, inventory and service level optimization, and predictive data management. It's all based on the same data model, powered by SAP HANA. The first release of SAP Integrated Business Planning for supply can be used as an extension of the sales and operations planning process. It can show visibility in the supply network across locations and through levels of the BOM. It can provide a constrained demand plan as an output for further supply processing in another planning system like APO or ECC. These solutions are provided in the cloud for easy and fast adoption. What is a digital value network, and how does a digital value network enable business transformation? The digital value network starts with a digital core which interconnects all aspects of the value network in real time to drive business outcomes. The digital core gives utility companies the opportunity to re-platform core business processes and bring together business process with analytics in real time to enable a smarter, faster, and simpler enterprise. This includes connecting every aspect of internal operations, but also enables real-time workforce engagement to retain and grow existing talent, attract new talent, and preserve enterprise intelligence with a smarter, engaged workforce. Supplier collaboration through business networks to mitigate supply risk, accelerate growth, and help ensure global compliance, all while maximizing product availability and margins. Outcome-based omni-channel consumer experiences enabled by the capacity to reach, engage, and serve consumers with timely, tailored, and relevant information and offers along the entire consumer path to purchase. The Internet of Things and big data combining internal and external, social, and sensor data to enable real-time visibility to quantifiable measures of consumer demand and other market dynamics with qualitative measures of consumer sentiment, intent, and behavior. This entire value chain, including the core, is digitized and serves as the platform for innovation and business process automation. We have built a product that supports the end-to-end SNOP process from sales input to the executive SNOP reviews. We are the only product built for SNOP from day one from the group up. We did not start as a demand planning solution or a supply planning solution. In particular, we have invested in 3 areas which are unique product differentiators. We include a complete model which spans demand, finance, and supply chain planning. This is a very flexible model that is easy to access from Excel or analytics. The model is easy to reconfigure as your needs evolve over time. Only our solution is based on HANA, and thus we offer only scalable SNOP models that can handle large data volumes and calculations. Scenario planning and comparison with multiple planners is now possible in real time at detailed and aggregate levels. Thanks to the new computing technology, SAP HANA, we have also what-if simulations available anytime for any planner on the entire model. This is uniquely enabled by HANA, which provides a dramatically faster in-memory computing platform than any other on the market. Social collaboration is embedded throughout the application. This addresses the need to tightly engage the various business functions that make up the SNOP process. This brings a new level of transparency in information sharing and decision-making for the SNOP process. This is the only SNOP product using advanced social networking technology. Simplified user experience and empowerment with role-based user experience with SAP Fiori. Real-time planning and simulation capabilities in Microsoft Excel. Flexible data model and pre-built templates. Getting into more details that altogether make the solution unique in the market, we should talk about advanced integration capabilities ensuring all benefits from the value chain. Standard integration with SAP ERP and S/4HANA and APO. Closed-loop integration supporting advanced business processes. Options for periodic, net change and real-time integration. Flexible and adaptable, integrate any system to IBP. Enable fast time to value and reduced TCO. HCP, IS, and SDI will converge into a unified integration platform. How SAP supports you and your customer. Jumpstart with best practices that contain rich business scenarios and business content. Explain what to use and how it works. SAP's methodology that provides prescriptive guidelines and pre-configured content to ensure predictable results. Deliver a path how to move to the cloud while still protecting existing investments. SAP Integrated Business Planning, Edge Edition. SAP Integrated Business Planning, Edge Edition is a low-cost, basic IBP solution for productive use. The target market for IBP Edge Edition is upper, mid-sized businesses and subsidiaries of large corporations, especially in the consumer products, process, and discrete manufacturing industries. IBP Edge Edition is currently the only IBP solution available for resale by partners via the Cloud Choice profit option only. For more details on features and capabilities, see the Applications and Features of SAP Integrated Business Planning Matrix in Help Portal. In the next 2 slides, we give you a high-level overview of the capabilities included in SAP IBP Edge Edition. Take some time to quickly review the general capabilities included in IBP Edge Edition. Take some time to quickly review the capabilities included in IBP Edge Edition in terms of tiles and operators. Opportunity and key takeaways. The main messages that should be sent after this session are: SAP IBP is the fastest growing planning solution in the marketplace. There is a big opportunity as market potential and customer interest is large. Lead with the software as demos help sell solutions. Deal structure can be tailored to customer needs. Thank you for watching SAP Integrated Business Planning.